Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new video. Say hi. Go. Hiya. Hi. Rocky, do you mind? I'm trying to record here. I don't give a damn if you're trying to record it. So today we're doing a full day of eating as a bodybuilder because I'm absolutely massive, you know. Before we get started, please give the video a like if you want and subscribe if you want. Let's go. Okay.
It's delicious.
Okay then guys, first thing is first, what do we eat? Because I literally have no idea what I'm eating today. So, let's start with some of this. And we'll also have some of this.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Okay then guys, so to get started today, we have a bowl of protein yogurt, vanilla flavour, quite a lot of it. Calories and the macros right up there for you guys. So we have 300 grams of 0% fat Greek style yogurt, and we have a scoop and a half of my protein, that's 37.5 grams. What's going on with you? Boo! Boo! Anyway guys, as always, let's start the first time laps in 3, 2, 1. Can you say 3, 2, 1? 3, 2, 1. And we are kind of done. Just gonna let the bowl clean.
A few moments later.
And we are officially done. You love being in videos at the moment, don't you? You do. Do you want to be in charge of the video today? Full day of free eating. Your turn, you take over. It's your video now. Anyway guys, that was great. If you haven't tried protein in Greek yogurt, try it. It's fantastic. I recommend the vanilla flavour. It's really nice. I'm still hungry, typically, but I'm not going to eat right now. I'm going to give it some time. Okay guys, see you in a second. Okay guys, so about to go out, go to Home Bargains, get some sort of protein bars. Say please. There you go. I'm going to Tesco and get some food. So, Freya montage coming in 3, 2, 1. And we are home. Okay, there's one of these protein bars that I really want to try. So it's this one. I seen it the other day in Home Bargains. I didn't buy it, but I kind of regret it. So I bought one today. So it's a glazed sprinkled donut protein bar. Now, if you haven't tried these Battle Bites protein bars, try them. They're absolutely fantastic. All right, let's give it a go. Oh, it smells good. Wow, that's great. Do you want a snack? Tastes like a glazed donut. It's very soft as well. That's actually amazing. So guys, I'm gonna finish this protein bar. And then I'm gonna start cooking the Sunday roast dinner. Potato, potato, you are a potato. You wanna sing potato song for a Potato, 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 woo, potato, 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 yeah, come on dance, woo, potato, 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 yeah, potato, 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 cauliflower. Broccoli in disguise. Die cauliflower. Should I cut it this way? Let's go for it. That was easier. Right guys, if you want a tip to cut cauliflower, don't cut it, just break the florets off like this. Makes less mess. Well, kind of. What am I doing with this broccoli? Guys, make sure you don't waste the broccoli stalk. The stalk is actually really good for you and it's edible and it's full of fibre, has a lot of water as well. Alright, let's do the Brussels. I hate, like, cutting Brussels. It's so tedious. Oh! Sorry guys. Hey, let me know down below in the comments if you like Brussels or not. Personally, I think they are fantastic. 2,000 years later. Parsnip. Carrots. I can swear that McDonald's is trying to make me chubby at the moment with like all their deals that are going on. Maybe we'll get McDonald's later. Who knows? Okay then guys, and we're pretty much done. We've got pigs in blankets, stuffing, roast potatoes ready to go in the oven, Brussels sprouts, parsnip, carrot, broccoli, and cauliflower. Oh, we also have some pancake mix there ready to go. So yeah, guys, gonna wait for Megan to finish work, put this all in the oven, get it ready, get it all presentable, and I'll see you in a second.
Get it to come out properly.
Alright guys, Megan is home. Say hi.
Hi.
How was your day?
A bit boring. I'd say it's been quiet. Like, the actual store itself has been quiet, but us as a department haven't been very busy.
At least you had a productive day. Me and Freya have had a very productive day. Anyway guys, we have some food. We have a huge roast dinner. I'll show you some pictures now. Anyway, Megan's pretty hungry, so I'm not going to keep her waiting. So time lapse starting in
3, 2, 1.
It's a bit louder.
Oh, I thought you was going to say it again.
No, I was expecting you.
3, 2, 1.
Change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up.
Wait. Pardon me. And we're done. How was yours?
That was so good. Tastes amazing.
I'm very full. Good. At least you liked it. Both of us haven't really eaten anything today. You've had 2 rounds of toast, and that's it. Now this. I've had a bowl of yogurt and a protein bar. Now this. And I'm very full. But we have some dessert, so let's go get it. And we have a cinnamon bun from Lidl that I picked up earlier. Focus. Megan duck. How was that?
It was actually really nice.
It was.
It's a lot more cinnamony than I expected it to be.
Lidl stuff, like Lidl bakery, is just fantastic.
Because it didn't have like much cinnamon going through it. I didn't think it was going to be very strong.
Yeah. Right guys, that was good. I'm going to try and not be so tired and we'll go from there. If you want to know where Freya is, she's upstairs having a nap. So, yeah. Okay then guys, some time has passed. I've been sitting here with Megan on the sofa for like half an hour, feeling extremely full. Anyway, now I'm really craving a Snickers, so I have a Snickers. It's been a while since I had some chocolates. Here it is. What? It has.
not.
I haven't had any chocolate today. Or yesterday.
Wow, it's been 2 days.
Why are you not in the camera?
I don't know.
Anyway guys, what I'm going to do is eat a Snickers. So good. And I'm going to leave the video there. So, sorry, we haven't done much today. The gyms have been closed yet again because of lockdown. So, there's not really much we can do outside. The plan today was to give myself 2,000 calories. I've gone over a little bit, but that's fine. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like if you want. And subscribe if you want. And as always guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Fraser waving too. Say bye.
Bye.
Good girl. See you later guys.
Bye.
Mwah.
It's delicious.